Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video, I am going to show you how to create Amazon affiliate links, a step-by-step tutorial. So let's get started. So here we are in Amazon, and then what we're gonna do first is that you want to make sure that you are currently in the Amazon Associates program. So you want to go here into affiliate-program.amazon.com. So if you're not an associate yet, I suggest that you sign up here first. You can click on the sign up button, and then from there you can provide your details. It would be very direct, so it would be very easy. And once you are all set up here in Amazon, you are now accepted as an associate or affiliate. Then now you can proceed into Amazon.com, and then from here you want to choose the product that you want to become an affiliate in. So let's say I want to go here in this niche right here in the refresher space, and let's say I want to go and sell this and become an affiliate for this one. So I want to click on that. And then from here, once you are an Amazon associate, you should be seeing a site stripe right here. But in my case, I don't have one because this account is not yet on Amazon associate. But once you are an Amazon associate, you should be seeing this Amazon site stripe right here for Amazon associates, and then you can get the link via text, image, or text plus image. In this example, I was using the text one, so I can go for the short link or the full link right here, and then I would have the affiliate link right here, which is this one right here. So it will be this one right here, and all that's left is to share this to people, and once they buy this product, I should be able to earn a commission from Amazon. So yeah, this is basically how you can generate your affiliate link in Amazon. I hope this video helped you out.